Welcome back. And now that Robert Bowers has been sentenced to death, he will be in the custody of the Federal Bureau of Prisons, and he will move to federal death row, and that's in Terre Haute, Indiana.
KDKA-TV's lead investigator, Sheehan, takes us to the place where those convicted and sentenced to the death penalty wait for what comes next.
Now that the jury has voted to impose the death penalty, Robert Bowers will in all likelihood be headed to the U.S. Penitentiary in Terre Haute, Indiana, more commonly known as federal death row. Of 43 federal prisoners sentenced to death in this country, 42 are being held in Terre Haute without the possibility of release, each spending their days alone in 12 by 7 foot single inmate cells waiting. Outside the prison walls stands this small single-story building housing the death chamber with execution table and restraints. In the last 6 months of the Trump administration, the government executed 13 prisoners here by lethal injection. None have been put to death under Joe Biden, and Attorney General Merrick Garland has instituted a moratorium, but that could change.
It can change with the new president very easily.
As they wait, each prisoner has a TV but no internet. They're allowed out of the cell for 2 hours a day but can have no contact with other inmates. The only communication is by shouting through the bars of their cells or by talking into certain air ducts. Earlier this year, the American Civil Liberties Union in Indiana filed a suit against the government, contending that isolating conditions at the penitentiary violate the 8th Amendment of the Constitution's prohibitions against cruel and unusual punishment. But while strict, law professor Bruce Ankoviak says the government has good reason to keep these men apart and have limited contact with penitentiary staff. These are some of the most violent men in the country, convicted of horrific acts. Given their fate, they have little to lose in taking another life.
The trade-off that the government has to take into account in terms of security and the safety of innocent people who have to be involved necessitates that kind of treatment may be the only way in which to handle the situation.
What's clear is that Bowers will be spending many years here, even if the moratorium is lifted, and Koviak says it's not likely he'll be one of the next prisoners executed. Like most of those newly sentenced to death row, an appeal of the sentence is very likely. But Ankoviak says Bowers will have a difficult road there. He did not contest committing the massacre, and he had a renowned defense attorney in Judy Clark and an experienced legal team who spent more than 4 years researching and preparing his defense.
In this case, it does seem that no stone has been left unturned.
Sheehan, KDKA News.